How impactful is space debris to Earth's environment, and what can be done to improve things? As of January 2022, it was estimated that there was 9,000 metric tons of space debris orbiting Earth. According to NASA, most of the debris is created from satellite explosions and collisions. With private companies launching potentially hundreds of thousands of satellites into near-Earth orbit within the next decade, congestion within that orbit will be vast and detrimental. Satellites last about 5 to 10 years, and the space debris from their re-entry into Earth's atmosphere will harm the environment in the form of light pollution, hazardous levels of alumina, and larger levels of solar radiation. What are some potential solutions to this? Putting more focus into building ADR, or active debris removal technology, something many space agencies including NASA and the ESA are working towards implementing in the future, is one helpful tech-centric solution. But more regulatory and enforcement standards are also needed to deal with this global issue. This might include having countries with the largest footprint in space agreeing to standards such as limiting the number of satellites within any given orbital shell, including in low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, and so on. But those are just some solutions. For more information on the continued effort for space sustainability, satellite comms company Inmarsat has a space sustainability report on their website that outlines even more potential solutions to the space debris problem.